ESChat supports live and historical location tracking while in call and allows users to customize their map view. This video is an overview of the Map tab. If you wish to skip to a topic, see the timestamps listed in the description below. The top bar shows the context of the map refresh pin, and the layers icon. The map contains a zoom in and out option, a Geo Select button, an off-screen talker button, and a tri-mode selection button. We'll begin with the map buttons. The Geo Select button will highlight the contact or contacts in your map view and make them available for a PTT call. The off-screen talker button appears when a contact is outside of the selected zoom level. It will show blue as an indication that the off-screen contact has taken the floor. Tap the icon to expand your map to include all users. The tri-mode selection pin determines how the map operates with your location. You may choose between having the map center on you, follow you, or a normal map display. We'll now cover the top toolbar. The Context Filter Selection option determines which users are displayed on your map. Check the display to see which preset is selected. To change the Context Filter Selection option, tap the Layers icon and choose from one of the presets listed. All contacts will display users who are signed in and reporting their location. In call is the default mode when you begin a PTT call. Tap the Geo Select button and see the PTT button turn green. You may now make a call. The Context Filter Selection option now shows in call, and the map will only display users within that call. You must manually select a new preset to include users outside your call. End the call by tapping the call widget, then deselect RX and TX. Selected Contacts is the default display after choosing to show contacts on the map. Navigate to the Contacts tab, long press on a single contact, or highlight multiple contacts, then long press, and select Show on Map. The Context Filter bar now shows selected contacts. Selected Group is similar but corresponds to the Channels tab. From the Channels tab, select a channel, long press, then choose to Show on Map. The Context Filter bar will now show the selected channel name. To change the map background, tap the Layers icon, then select the Settings icon. You may choose from 3 modes: Standard, Satellite, and Terrain. You may also select a detail to accompany your mode. Traffic will overlay the current traffic conditions on the map, and 3D buildings, when zoomed in on Standard mode, will simulate a 3D environment. The Cluster Threshold slider bar sets contacts in the same vicinity to group together. This is helpful if you need to know with a quick glance how many users are in a location. Sliding the bar to Global will display a location pin for each user within a close proximity. Slide the bar to Local and it will display a number for the users within the given area. Adjust the bar to your desired level. Tap the Exit icon to return to the map. The Pin Refresh icon will refresh the screen with the last presence update available from the server. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.